What is up, YouTube? This is Zach. I'm out here in Allen, Texas, and today I'm going to be doing a TV over the fireplace here with a 5.1 installation in this living room, as well as a pair of patio speakers out on the patio. Let me show you the equipment that we're going to be working with. So here at the rear of the room, we have surround and surround rear that are stubbed out. Here's the fireplace. The fireplace is not pre-wired, so we're gonna have to do a little bit of electrical work as well as run all of our HDMI, our speaker wire, and our audio return optical cable down to the cabinet over here. We're gonna be using this equipment here. The Episode 350 6-inch in-wall speakers at the rear of the room. These are the all-weathers for the patio. These are 6.5-inch woofers in black. Everything's going to be powered up through this AVR, the 3400H. It's a 7.2 channel receiver, so the way it works is we're using the 5.1 for the living room, and then we're going to assign what would normally be the surround backs as zone 2. So the customer can independently play his music to the patio separate from the living room, or group them together. This amp also has HEOS enabled, so he'll be able to use the streaming apps within there. Now this is going to be our center speaker, our left speaker, and our right speaker. I use this a lot in situations where you can't actually fit in a dedicated left and right channel. It does a really nice job of emulating all three, and it actually has separate connections for all three speakers. So it actually acts as a true surround bar. Now this is our subwoofer here. We're using the Element 8-inch, and this is a ported subwoofer. And we're gonna throw a wireless sub kit on it and put it over here in the corner of the room, right next to the couch and in between this cabinet, so right where that power outlet is. So Grayson's working with me here today, and what he's doing right now is already starting. He's getting the brackets on the back of the TV so that we can find out exactly where the TV needs to be mounted on the wall. We're going to consult with the customer and find out exactly what height they'd like it mounted at, as well as where they want the soundbar mounted in relation to the TV. And then we'll find the studs and then get the bracket mounted on the wall, and we'll show you what comes next.
All right guys, I found my studs here and here. I've measured from the bottom of the TV to where the mount sits in relation to where the customer wants the mount or the TV to sit on the wall. And I found my center, so now I'm going to drill into the studs.
Alright, so right now guys, Grayson's doing the little template for a single gang hole, and we're going to do 2 of those. And we're going to take this little device here that'll allow us to get those holes cut out quickly and efficiently.
Head on to it.
Yeah, head on and just really lightly.
Yeah, now we're cutting our hole for HDMI and optical to the receiver. With not sure what this tool is called, but it's like a carpenter's tool. Very, very nice for cutting a square box, or rather rectangular. All right, guys. Zach has put the fish tape through the electrical outlet on the other side so we can fish our Romex from up here to the outlet and create a power outlet up here. So I just hooked the fish tape with my fish hook on a fish rod and pulling it in.
Then we can pull the extra slack back. All right, so now we're going to attach our Romex to it and pull it down.
You feeding it? Got it, that's good.
We don't only do theaters, we do, you know, electrical, we do automation.
You do like home automation?
Networking.
We do networking.
Cameras.
Yeah,
Do like,
cameras.
The Wi-Fi extenders.
Yeah.
Whole home Wi-Fi.
Yep, mesh networks,
Yeah.
which falls under networking. We just offer so many services, and there's days where we'll do, like today, we have two, like, I would call this like a small to medium sized job. That'll take us, you know, 2 4-hour to 6-hour time frames. And then tomorrow we just got one big install.
And a service.
And then a service call. Ever since we started this YouTube channel, like we just get blown up. Like we don't even offer in-home consultations anymore because we have no time to do consultations. And we're still booked out a month and a half.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Good for business, right?
Alright guys, this is a 3-channel LCR soundbar. It's passive, which means you actually hook up 3 different channels, a left, a right, and a center, to the rear here into your amplifier. The reason that is, it's because it has 3 tweeters, one on the left, right, and center, and it actually has, I believe, 6 woofers in there. Let me see if I can pop the plate off here for you. Not to be confused with a powered soundbar. The amp powers this one. There you go. This one actually has much more. I think, what is it? 10 woofers. Center, left, and right. Pretty nice. And you'll see the application and why it's very useful in this one. Gold-plated push terminals.
Yeah. Huh?
What are we gonna do about this? Speaker wire, 14-2. 3 of those. LCR. HDMI to the TV. Optical. Tape. Super close. Line road. Uh-oh, we gotta run away. Alright guys, let me just explain it because apparently I recorded my feed earlier. So what I did was I grabbed my template, knocked out the box that was stapled to the stud, got my template, leveled it, cut out once I outlined it, and now I'm connecting my speaker wire to the correct terminals, and I'm going to pop this in.
by the time you get off that channel. Next time you need a TV mount, they'll do it for you. Teamwork.
Yeah. They lift it up over the fireplace. Alright, that's that guy. Need to put the grill on, and these 350 speakers actually do have aimable here, and since it's up high in the standing room, you do want to aim it towards the ground the family's going to be sitting. I would hate that if I was in here.
Alrighty, we got our TV up there. Now we're gonna get this big monster mounted down below. Alright guys, so I just got the bracket for the soundbar, the passive soundbar up underneath the TV here. And the next thing I'm gonna do is connect my connections to the back of the unit, and then we're gonna get it hung up there on the wall. Magic. At least that's what everybody thinks. It's that easy.
It's not. What about that side?
I think I'm gonna have to go get it. Okay guys, so what Grayson is doing right now is tuning our lines. What this does is send a signal through the line to the speaker. You can pick this up for about 70 bucks at Home Depot, and it really helps you with getting this job done. You can see right now it's coming out of the front right, and it's actually firing like out that way. Same thing with this one right here, it's firing out that way, and then the center should be head on, so it's gonna emulate a left, a right, and a center speaker. And Denon includes these nice little labels here that make it really nice for the customer if ever he disconnects it and doesn't know where things go.
So now that I have everything labeled, I'm gonna hook it up to the correct inputs in the amp. These are from the previous homeowner, and I did tone them to make sure they were correct and all the speakers are working. Next, we're gonna just hook it all up and then go and put the patio speakers in. Yay.
All right guys, so this is the wireless sub kit. I like to use this one from Episode. It's pretty affordable, $139, and then you can put the sub anywhere that you want in the room. It's really convenient when you don't have wiring, or your wiring is just not really where you want it for performance. In this situation, there is no wiring. So this side right here is the transmitter, and this side is the receiver. This goes with the sub, and then there's a power for both sides. We're just gonna take LFE in and then LFE out to the sub, and that's it. So we're gonna get it hooked up to this 10-inch element right here. Customer upgraded from the 8-inch to the 10-inch for a little bit more power in this room. All right, so I gotta show you guys this part. This is probably one of the coolest things that Episode did recently. So you wanna add the wireless sub kit, you literally just plug it in right here like that. And then, whoop. And then you can literally just slide it on like this. Well, if it'll go. Yeah, like that. So then it's permanently attached to the subwoofer and not just hanging out. I thought that was really cool that they did that. All right, this install's coming to an end. We got all of our speakers in. TV's looking sharp. Got that passive soundbar up there with our 3 channels. And then behind me, we got our surround left and right. Looking really nice, right at the exact same level. Everything's going really smooth. We got our 10-inch sub down here. Now we get to run our calibration to do some room correction and get these puppies sounding real good. kind of gives you an idea.
Realized I loved you.
And sometimes the best we can do is to start over.
But I should move on. Some do. Alas. We will.
Why did we wait so long to do this?
I know. You know what? That's pretty awesome, and that's not even like a.
This is a trailer.
Oh, but what I'm saying is like this isn't even the true like center channel, side channels.
Mm-hmm.
I could hear it like at the back of the car in the garage.
Good. That's what we go for.
He played
He's
this.
like, good.
We're just.
They're
Gonna be playing-
satisfied.
We're just gonna be playing like.
All right, check it out, guys. So in addition to the living room setup, we also did a patio setup, and this is HEOS enabled, so you can come in right here and select which zone you want the audio to play to, either the main zone or the zone 2, which is the patio. So I just tested it, and basically you can come right out here to the patio, select your source, which we're playing this Whiskey Glasses song, and just hit play. And you can control your volume, play, pause, everything right here from the app. So I'll show you how you can do that here in just a second. So you can get it to the exact volume that you're looking for. Here are the in-ceiling speakers that we put in.
Mr. Bartender, hit me again. Don't wanna think about it.
All right, so you guys can see it's literally just at your fingertips. At the click of a button, you can independently play your music right out here to the patio. Now, what's really nice about the Denon HEOS operating system is that it's expandable. So you can see behind me, the customer has pool, patio, lounge areas. He can expand on this system to be able to independently play his music to, say, for example, the lounge area over there by the hot tub, or you can group them all together whenever he's entertaining. But the flexibility of being able to independently control the volume and the source is very valuable, in my opinion. So that's the patio setup. All right, YouTube, well, that is a wrap. We just finished up this project and it sounds awesome. The customer's satisfied, which makes me very happy. So keep in mind, guys, we do have nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee on all of these products. Give us a call. We'll do an over-the-phone consultation and get your equipment shipped out to you, and you can have a local installer near you, or you can DIY it up. Either way, but we can ship these products to you, and if you're in the Dallas area, we'd be happy to do the installation for you. Now, if you like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for more. This is Zach and Grayson with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.